Hello everybody, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to go shopping at World Market and of course Homegoods. So I'll take you along, we'll see what we can find, and then instead of doing like a typical haul at the end, I'm going to just show you how I styled whatever I got. I don't know what I'm getting, so I'll just show you where I placed it in my house. That way it's a little bit more interesting. So if you are not subscribed already, please make sure to subscribe, hit the post notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and let's go ahead and see what we can find today. Starting off at World Market, I'm here looking at the art. I've noticed that they don't really change up their art too often. They kind of have the same stuff going on that they've had going on for a few months, but they do have some nice abstract pieces. I usually like to stay with just plain white towels. It kind of gives you like a more clean hotel vibe, but I really did like this like black and white textured towel with a triangle pattern. I thought it was really nice. These candle holders were so cute. They kind of reminded me of RH vibes, the taupe color with the gold in the middle. And these are really unique if you want to add a little bit of shape to the room. $16.99 is a little bit pricey for a diffuser. I tend to find cheaper ones at Homegoods and they usually smell really good. Their faux plants were actually really nice. Some of them looked pretty real, but as I've said before, try and stay away from faux plants because they can look a little bit cheap sometimes. This is a really good dupe for the Pottery Barn marble table, and it was 30% off. This coffee table I really fell in love with. I just loved the wood color with the darker wood in the middle and then the gold accent. This floor lamp was really nice. I love how it's just simple with a little bit of an earthy touch to it. They always have great light fixtures. We actually have this one here that is in our bedroom, and it just adds such a nice touch to the room and really changes up the whole look. This light fixture here reminds me a lot of the RH Camino vintage chandelier. I mean, it's not identical, but if you want that vibe, this is definitely a cheaper alternative. World Market always has great baskets. You can pretty much find any kind of style. Sometimes they can be a little pricey, so I tend to look at Homegoods instead, but they really do have a great collection here at World Market. I really loved this table. It is a leaf table and it is kind of small, so if you have like a apartment or a small dining room, I think this would be really nice. And the wood color is kind of like that light gray. It was so stunning. I love a good white bedspread. If you're going for a very simple hotel vibe kind of look, I think that's definitely the way to go. They had a lot of really cute jute rugs, and Ralph Lauren is a really good brand, and for $14.99, I think that was a great price. Something about these lamps really caught my eye. I think they're very simple. $39.99 was a great price for them, and I just love the linen looking lampshade. This is totally giving me RH vibes. I love the gold accent, and they just look very vintage and sleek. I think these would be perfect if you kind of have more of a glam type of look to your home. I'm not a big fan of like the silver mirror type of decor, but I think this would look stunning in a more glam kind of space. Sarah Brooke is a great artist, especially if you're looking for some more simplistic neutral paintings, and I really love the texture on this. Here's another one. I think that these two would look great next to each other. I honestly was going back and forth on if I should get it or not. $129 is not a bad price, and this thing was ginormous. I fell in love with this rug. Such a pretty cream color, and I just love the design on it. $129, and it is made in India. I thought that that was a great deal. This one I fell in love with. It was so stunning. I just love the pattern, and this thing was huge. Made in Turkey. Ralph Lauren, cannot get any better. I just love the color. Okay, can we just take a moment to appreciate this ginormous geode? This guy was stunning and ginormous, but $500 is a little out of my price range for a geode right now. $60. This one is rose quartz, but it was beautiful. These two crystals were so unique. I've never seen a crystal this color. This orangey color would be pretty for fall, but I tend to like more of like the amethyst and just kind of like the more neutral colored crystals. This Juju hat is totally an RH dupe. I've seen them as wall decor, and these can get pretty pricey, so $129 is actually not too bad for this. So this is what I did with the wooden bowl. I just have some vegetables over here, tomatoes, an apple, some bananas and nectarines. I really wanted this for my fruits and vegetables. I love to have a lot of lemons. We eat a lot of oranges. So I just wanted something that looked a little bit more sleek. I used to have different bowls and stuff, and it just kind of looked like kind of messy and disorganized. And I think just one huge wooden bowl to hold everything just looks really nice. So this is how I styled this, and it's definitely gonna be put to good use. You can honestly style this anywhere. I also thought about putting this like on an entryway table with a bunch of different like crystals and geodes and stuff. Would look so beautiful, and the wood color is just so cute. I love it. Next, I got this coffee table. Don't mind my dogs. They want to be in the video. They love the attention. This coffee table is so beautiful. I got this at World Market, and I just love the wood color, and I love the gold detailing. It just looks so unique and beautiful. And I think this coffee table is just the perfect size. And I got this marble tray actually a few years ago from Target. I got this coffee table book from Amazon. This one was just from Goodwill. I painted over it, and then I have just like a Pottery Barn magazine, And then I have this decor piece from Target. It is a Studio McGee piece, which I really love it. And I'll link it down below along with the coffee table book from Amazon. This pot I actually got at a plant nursery here in my town. It was so cheap. I think it was like $15, so I could not believe it. I just loved the aged, like vintage look. Oh my gosh, there's a little fruit fly on it. And this plant just looks so good with the dark leaves. I actually need to get a paper towel and clean the leaves off, but I just love the way this looks. I got this little guy from World Market. It's just a little Buddha, which I am obsessed. I just think this is so cute. I love the color, how it's like this cream aged looking color. And then I just have my journal that I try and journal in every morning. I have a coffee table book. This is Vogue I found at HomeGoods. And then I have just a candle from HomeGoods as well. And this guy was so cute. I believe, oh, I must have taken off the price tag, but I think it was $7.99. I will link it down below. Next, I got this other little wooden panel, little boat shaped thingy. So I actually put my bath bombs in there, but I didn't really like the way it looked. I used another container. So I wanted to put it somewhere in my kitchen. So I actually put all my little Nespresso pods in here, and I actually think it looks really cute. Last item that I got from World Market is this Tufted Beige couch. I really love the size of it. It is not too big, not too small, and we needed kind of like a medium, more smaller size couch for our little office area. So we actually used to have a bed here, but we took it out, and then we had been looking for a couch. So since they were having the furniture sale, we actually got this for a really great price, and it is such great quality and such beautiful material. I just really love the color because it is neutral, and you can just decorate it with any kind of accent pillows or anything like that. So this is it, guys. This is the final thing we got. All right, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my handle down below. It is ShoogieBug, and I post a lot on my stories, and you can follow me and get to know me a little bit better on there as well. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you don't miss the next video, and we'll see you guys later. Bye.